I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying hardware and service quickly. Confirm your Realme C65 SKU and that your carrier has active 5G where you are. Once done, insert the primary 5G SIM into the correct slot and update system software and carrier settings so the modem has the latest bands. Next, open settings and go straight to SIM and network to start enabling 5G options. This prevents wasted steps later and ensures the phone can actually register on a 5G cell. You now turn on 5G and fine-tune connections. In Settings, choose your SIM, then preferred network type, and select the 5G-capable option so the radio prioritizes 5G cells. Make sure VO LTE or VO NR is enabled because some carriers require it for voice over 5G. This avoids dropped calls. Once that's set, leave network selection on automatic to let the phone pick the best tower. If connectivity is flaky, edit APN fields to match carrier specs or reset network settings to clear old configs. Finish by verifying you're actually on 5G. Run a speed test and confirm the 5G status icon and expected throughput. If you don't see 5G, restart the phone, toggle airplane mode for a quick radio reset, and reinsert the SIM so the network renegotiates. Make sure your firmware and carrier settings are current. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing else works, reset network settings to restore default APNs and radio states before doing deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.